We are from Karachi, Pakistan. My name is Rehan. I'm Haad's father.
And my name is Nida. I'm Haad's mom.
In 2013, he was diagnosed with a brain tumor.
When we talked to the doctor in Pakistan, they said there is only 1% survival. We said like our life is about to finish and I'm about to lose my son. And on the same day, we got a flight and we went to Yale.
Yale Medicine has a very unique approach for the treatment of brain tumors, and particularly pediatric cancers. There's actually probably a handful of cases in the last 10 years in the country. Really, there was no playbook for how to treat this, and the prognosis was very, very grim. We decided that for an 8-year-old child, a whole brain radiation would probably not be the best outcome for him. We know that the toxicity of this treatment, even in adults, can be quite devastating, and a developing child's brain would be particularly bad. We all came to this decision to test something out that isn't very commonly done, if ever, in children. For Haad, his treatment plan ultimately involved 2 different cutting-edge radiation treatments to treat focal areas of his brain. The Novalis allows us to deliver radiation in a very precise manner. It's really a combination of multiple technological advances. The Gamma Knife instrument is one of the most exciting pieces of technology that we have here at Yale. It can deliver radiation to specific spots on the order of about 0.01 millimeters of uncertainty. And the areas that we've treated have responded very, very well.
I've been out of school 2 years for the last 5 years, but I'm still on track with my studies. I'm proud because I worked hard, but I caught up.
The treatments and the chemotherapies and the surgeries, all things made him like more matured.
I felt very good and happy that everything's fine. When I heard that I was the first person to survive that kind of disease, I was very happy, and I told my mom to just get my name into the Guinness Book of World Records.
Do you consider yourself brave and courageous? I'm sure you've heard those phrases.
Many people have told me that I'm very brave.
Do you feel brave?
Yeah.
You've been through a lot. You've gone through so much, been very courageous, and probably one of the bravest kids we've met.
The doctors gave us very, very hope. And whenever we are losing hope, they always by our side, like they said, no, never lose hope. Haad always says that Dr. Bindra, Dr. Deluna, Dr. Joe, they are like angels for us.
I imagine that my future would be good and I will design and make new kinds of cars. If someone had the same problem as me, I would just tell him to relax and pray to God and play video games.